me tell you a little trick that the insurance companies will play on you after you're involved in a car accident. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer. And in order to put this in context, let me go ahead and tell you a story. I recently received a phone call from somebody who was involved in a car accident. They came to see me about 6 weeks after the incident, and they came to see me because the doctor told them that they had a little fracture that they were going to need to have surgery on. So at that point in time, they believed that they needed a lawyer in order to help them bring the claim. So our typical procedure is this. We will go ahead and sign the client up, get the authorization to act on their behalf, and then we send a letter of representation to the insurance company. About a week later, I get a letter back from the insurance company saying, I do not know what your client is talking about because they have already settled their claim. I said, what? Send me a copy of the signed release. So they send me a copy of the signed release, and lo and behold, there was a release signed by the client and the insurance representative. So this is what happened in trying to sort this out. Apparently, sometime shortly after the accident, somebody came out to their house and they were an insurance adjuster and they said, okay, we will pay you $2,500 for your car and we will give you a couple $1,000s for your injury. Sign here. The person didn't understand that they were signing away their rights to a total claim. They received the money for the car. They received the $2,000 for their injury. And then they continued to have problems after the insurance company left. They saw their doctor. The doctor took an x-ray of the area. The doctor noticed that the person had a fracture, referred them to a specialist, and now they need to have surgery, and they wanted me to go ahead and bring a claim against the insurance company. Nothing I could do at that point in time. This person already signed away their claim. So this is what you need to understand. There's no hurry after you're involved in an accident to resolve your claim. You need to make sure that you are as good as you are going to get medically, because once you sign the documents, your claim is over. And this is what happens. So the insurance company usually will call or they'll send out a field adjuster to come and see you, and they'll be really nice. They'll be really concerned. We're so sorry that the accident happened. I'm sorry that you're injured. We want to make your life easier. We can do this now. You don't need a lawyer. A lawyer just complicates things. We want to be able to get your car fixed as quickly as possible. We want to be able to get you some money because you missed some days of work. We'll take care of some of your medical expenses. You went to the urgent care center. We'll give you $500 towards that bill. We'll give you $500 towards your pain and suffering. And then we'll give you $500 for your inconvenience. And the person thinks, wow, they're just so nice. What they don't realize is they're hoping that they're able to get the person to release the claim, receive the money. It's twofold. Number one, they get the claim closed. It's off their desk. They get to move on to the next claim. And the second thing is if something pops up in the next days or weeks or months, it's already over and the person has signed away their rights. So if you're involved in a car accident, know that you have 2 years to settle or bring your claim. Don't be in such a hurry. Don't be desperate. The insurance company does this all the time. They're very smart. They know how people behave. They know about human nature. And, 9 out of 10 times there won't be a problem, but that one time you're going to have somebody with a significant injury that's going to require a ton of medical workup, a ton of procedures, and there's not going to be any insurance to compensate them for their injuries and for their pain and suffering. If you have any questions about this after a Northwest Indiana car accident, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a great day.